All right, we're going to do a little quick video. Now, if you just got your Xhorse and you need to make sure it's all calibrated before you do your first initial use, you can use this. We're having to recalibrate ours because ours got broken in, our van got broken into, and this was knocked over. So the big thing right here on your little key stopper, make sure it's cleaned off and it's straight. In your kit, you'd have your 2 gauges. Make sure your jaws are turned to the A, so you want them both the same. And then you got your little lip right here. So when you drop it in, slide all the way over, hold it tight, lock it down. Let's do the same over here. Now I do suggest you get a flashlight. You will need a 2.5mm and a 3mm Allen wrench that comes in your kit. We're just going to use our hex keys on here. Do not turn this on during any time there's procedure, and this is why I like using a flashlight. So when I bring it up here, I already notice it's not wanting to go anywhere. And if you notice without the light there, you can see excuse me, we do have an issue. With that being said, we're going to adjust the lateral movement. So take your 3mm, unlock it. Now on the bottom, I'll explain it because didn't get a picture of it. On the very bottom, you'll have a 2.5. This is going to allow you to move this. So we're going to move it, and you notice just by moving it, everything went in. So we're good there. So now we want to relock it back down here. Sorry. So now we got our axis done. And like I said, I like using a flashlight so I can look in. I'm in there. I'm in there. Go to the top where you have lock, unlock. We're going to just unlock it a little. Then you're going to come over here to your micrometer, and we're going to turn the micrometer. See what it's adding to it? It's pushing it out. I want to draw it in and suck it in a little bit more. So we're there. And just a little fine tune. Go ahead and drop the jaw down. Go ahead and lock it. You don't need to over tighten them. Another thing also, since it did fall, let's go ahead and take this stop. And let's verify that the shoulder stop works. And looking right over here, we're good. Hey, thanks again for watching a little short 5-minute video here. Go ahead and click one of the links on the side for more videos. Hit that subscribe button. And thanks again for watching. Let's be safe.